Hi, my name is Gregory Testamar and Amber Testamar. Well, we are here in the meeting of the
Commercial real estate?
commercial real estate. Well, I'm big glad for be here because we learn a lot about all techniques and all tools for invest in real estate, commercial and resident. And well, you are invited to come here and learn a little more. Anything else?
We learn about the different class types, class B, C, D, what to look for when you, today we just focus more on commercial, just a few ideas and tips on what to look for. We went to see some properties, the profit and the investment that you would invest in, and just to see the overall profit meetings in. And we discuss a bit more about it all starts with you and the dedication and commitment that you have to want to make a change in your life. So it's been a wonderful workshop, and I'm looking forward to the remainder of the days here.